Hello everybody, and thanks to Bill Borman for inviting me to take part in the HR Carnival, the video log or vlog approach that he's taken. Happy New Year to everybody. I just wanted to say hello, and we're going to talk about 2010, some hopes and predictions, although predictions is a tough word to use, so we're going to go more with hopes. So to my bullet points, what do I think is going to happen in 2010? What do I hope is going to happen? One, the economy. I think we really have turned the corner. Most people we talk to are saying, hey, 2009, it's gone, and let's just move on to cooperate with each other. A bit of entrepreneurship, I think, we're seeing in both the direct employee as well as individuals starting their own businesses. What are we going to see about knowledge that people have in the use of technology and tools like social media and video? I think we're going to consolidate that knowledge and start becoming an expert in an individual tool, whether it's Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. I think we're going to see something changing in social media's use. Not so much about the one-to-one build a network. We're building those networks. We're going to take more advantage of them now, but we're going to see it as a branding tool, both personally and for the corporates. Sourcing. I think we saw at the True London event in November, and we'll see more in February, the direct sourcing specialists like Jeff Webb in Toronto, Catherine Robinson here, who recently won SourceCon. We're going to see more of that being taken up, and also the in-house HR and recruiting department doing more direct sourcing. The employment experience, or the candidate experience, what I'm really hoping to see is that employers will improve their experience with a commitment to both the candidate and to their client, the hiring manager, and really build on that candidate experience, making it a great experience for people in 2010. What are we going to do with our network? I think we're going to engage with our network. We're going to start using those traditional methods, the telephone, or dog and bone, as I like to say here in the UK, and face-to-face meetings. Let's really ramp out what we've done with these online networks. I think we're also seeing with things like HR Carnival, with True London, with Recruit Fest, a real sea change in how events are working, public events today. We're moving away from the large conferences to those one-on-one, smaller, more intimate ways of sharing information. And that really moves me to what I really think is one of the big changes for 2010 that we saw starting in 2009. The sharing and working together in the recruitment industry. We're going to start holding hands, moving forward together, working together, really have an evolution in how we do work in recruitment. So hopefully that to me is one of the big changes we're going to see. And we want to keep supporting that on rceuro.com with our communities and with our information of sharing information and knowledge right across Europe. So you can find me on Twitter on Alan Whitford or RCEuro. You can get me on email at alan@rceuro.com. I'd just like to close with the best wishes for everybody for a healthy, happy, and successful 2010, and really looking forward to meeting a lot of you this year.